First, the multidimensional analysis module allows users the flexibility to define the multidimensional sales, purchase, GL analysis report. Report layout can be then exported to Excel, PDF, and rich text format. In simpler terms, multidimensional analysis is a powerful module available in AutoCount to sort of DIY your own report. To view multidimensional analysis for sales, click Sales and then click Multidimensional Sales Analysis. Here, you will be able to drag and drop the items to form your own column fields or your row fields. For example, I drag and drop the date, the item code, and the item description on the column field, and the sales agent, the debtor code, company name into the row field, and then click Inquire. Now you will be able to see the data generated. I can also further drag and drop if I want more information. So here I am able to view the information. When I'm happy with the layout, I can click Layout and save the layout to file. Or I can also click Export to export in various different formats. I can export to Excel, PDF, MHD, RTF, or text. The same thing can be done for the ledger. To view for multidimensional ledger analysis, click GL and click Multidimensional Ledger Analysis. To view purchase, go to Purchase and click Multidimensional Purchase Analysis. Thank you.